Anybody have any idea what we're supposed to do here? Well, we got to simplify it, right? So what does 4 to the 9 mean? What does that mean? Well, what it means is I'm going to multiply by 4 how many times? 9. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What does 4 to the third power mean? Yep. So now I've just got 3 4s on the bottom. So what does 4 divided by 4 reduce down to? 1. So this becomes 1 over 1, right? So they cancel. This 4 and this 4 become 1 over 1. This 4 and this 4 become 1 over 1. So now let's multiply it out. I've got 1 times 1 times 1, and then 4 times itself 6 times. How do I write that? 4 to the what? 6th power. And then what goes on the bottom? 1 times 1 times 1. Just 1, right? So what does that equal? 4 to the 6th power. What's the shortcut? Well, if I say 4 to the 9th over 4 to the 3rd, which is bigger, 9 or 3? 9. Which is smaller, the 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 here, and whatever I do on the bottom, I got to do to the top, or vice versa. Whatever I do on one side, I got to do to the other side for fractions. Sometimes we're going to have to move the stuff from the top to the bottom. So what is 9 minus 3? 6. What is 3 minus 3? What is anything raised to the 0 power? Anything raised to the 0 power equals 1. Anything divided by 1 is itself. So this is the answer. This is the way that you get the answer, but this is the shortcut. Okay, you guys remember that? We did that back in January. Well, you probably did it in the 8th grade, but we covered it in this class in January. Okay.